Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, got an ms260 ported. I want to see how it does. I did a little bit different than my 026. I also took pictures of it, but this was the muffler I put on it originally. Cut that out. Worked out to be about 50% of that width, maybe a little bit more, like not allowing for the hole that was in there originally. But my other one I swapped out, and it feels like it has more pull, is the full size, that whole rectangular piece. So I'm just going to touch up the chain here. I'm going to be pulling 24-inch bar with full comp, and like I say, I'm just going to touch it up only, just a real quick, just make sure she's rocking and rolling here. So, and yeah, it's not going to be a crazy, it's not going to be a crazy test by any means. Just 3 sizes of wood, or 2 sizes of wood, 3 cuts each, just to get an average cut time, because I'm kind of curious to see how this does up against my 026. A couple extra cc's difference, but numbers are different. So anyways, I'll touch base back in a few here, and I'll show some of the cutting, and yeah, and then I'll post the results. Touch base in a bit. This stuff's got so many burls in it, and it's frozen cotton, but it was just cut like 2 weeks ago. See all the different grains in there. It's pretty, that's pretty hard, tough wood. Man, okay, let's get on to the next log. This one here is that's a 24-inch bar. About 22 inches roughly, but as I got in, it's going to get a little tighter because of the limb that's coming off here, so the grain's going to be tighter, so we'll see. hits those knots. Like, they're dense. This is still pretty wet. It was just cut in September, so it's about minus 18, 17, 18 right now. So nice grain, but we'll swap saws and barbs here and we'll get back at it.